If you're looking to level up your gardening game, a gas-powered tiller or cultivator can make all the difference. Whether you're breaking new ground or just maintaining your garden, we've got you covered with the best options on the market. Stick around as we break down and rank the top gas-powered tillers for your yard work needs. Here we have the Mantis 7940, which comes in at the 5th spot on our list. What stands out immediately about this model is how lightweight it is, coming in at just 24 pounds. It's perfect for anyone who's looking for something that's easy to handle, especially in smaller gardens or tight spaces. Now, let's talk about the features. It's powered by a reliable Honda 25cc 4-cycle engine, which means you won't have to worry about mixing fuel. A nice convenience. Its compact design makes it ideal for maneuvering around garden rows, and the forward rotating tines give you a nice consistent tilling action. Plus, the 10-inch tilling depth is pretty solid for most garden tasks. If you're working in a smaller area or just need to maintain existing soil, the Mantis does the job without taking up too much space in your shed. But of course, no product is perfect. While it's great for smaller gardens, the limited tilling width of 10 inches can be a deal breaker if you need to cover a larger area. The lack of power for tackling compacted or rocky soils is another limitation. Compared to some of the other tillers on this list, it just doesn't have the muscle to handle tougher terrains. If you're just getting started with gardening or have a small garden, this might be the perfect fit. It's light, easy to use, and won't break the bank. If you're looking for more power though, stay tuned for the next models on this list. And remember to check out the description below for the best prices on all the products featured in this review. Next up at number 4, we have the Senix, which is another lightweight option at 24 pounds. But this one packs a little more power with a 46cc 4-cycle engine. So if you need something that can handle a bit more, this could be a great choice. It features an adjustable tilling width of up to 15 inches and a decent 8-inch tilling depth, making it versatile enough for medium-sized gardens. The easy start function and low emissions are a nice touch, especially if you want something more eco-friendly. Plus, since it's a 4-cycle engine, you don't have to mix fuel, which adds to the overall convenience. However, just like the Mantis, the 15-inch tilling width might not be enough for larger areas, and it does struggle with very dense soil. While it's better than the Mantis in terms of power, it still lags behind in terms of coverage. This tiller would be best for anyone with a medium-sized garden or those who want something lighter and easier to handle than larger, heavier models. If you need to tackle tougher soil or need more width though, you might want to keep going through this list. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Taking the 3rd spot, we have the Bilt Hard TOA, which offers a solid mix of power and versatility. With a 46cc 4-cycle engine and a 1.9 horsepower motor, it's more robust than some of the lighter models, and it comes with an impressive 16-inch tilling width that helps you cover more ground faster. The added adjustable wheels and one-handed control make it easier to maneuver, even though it's slightly heavier at around 33 pounds. It's also got a pretty decent tilling depth, and the steel tines make it reliable for tougher tasks compared to the smaller tillers. The engine provides consistent power, and it can handle regular gardening jobs without breaking a sweat. That said, this tiller does have a pull start system, which may not be as convenient as the electric start systems found in some models. Also, it could struggle a bit when faced with rocky soil, but that's true for many gas-powered tillers in this range. If you need a solid, dependable machine that can handle a medium garden and some tougher soil, this one fits the bill. But if you're after convenience with easy starts or larger scale power, you might want to look at the top 2 contenders. At number 2, we have the Yiyibyus 44.5F gas-powered tiller, which brings a bit more muscle to the table with its 52cc 2-stroke engine. This model offers a nice balance of power and mobility, with a decent 13.78-inch tilling width and a variable tine depth ranging from 1.18 to 3.94 inches, which gives you flexibility depending on what your soil needs. The high horsepower and lightweight design make this tiller relatively easy to use for both beginners and experienced gardeners. The ease of use and power are hard to beat in this class. It can cover decent ground with the adjustable width and makes quick work of soft to medium soil. On the downside, the need for fuel mixing can be a bit of a hassle for some users, and the limited tilling depth may not make it the best choice for deeply compacted soil or larger garden projects. Still, it's a great option for those who need an efficient, moderately powerful tiller without breaking their backs. If you want something powerful but easy to handle for a medium garden, this is a solid option. It's perfect for people who don't mind mixing fuel and need a bit more performance. But if you're looking for the ultimate in versatility and power, there's one more contender to consider. And finally, in the top spot we have the Splendor gas-powered tiller. If you're looking for something powerful and versatile, this is the one to beat. With a 212cc 4-cycle engine, it's easily the most powerful option on this list, capable of handling larger and more compacted areas with ease. The adjustable working width of 13 to 33.5 inches means you can customize your tilling process for different tasks, making it great for a variety of garden sizes. The forward rotating tines are also a big plus for efficiently breaking up soil and providing a consistent tilling action. While it's heavy at around 80 pounds, the power and flexibility it offers more than make up for the added weight, and it can tackle tougher garden conditions that the other models might struggle with. On the flip side, the heavy weight and louder operation may be a drawback for some users, especially those looking for a quieter, lighter tool. But if you're working on larger plots of land or need to dig into harder soil, this tiller will get the job done with ease. If you're tackling a larger garden or need a tool that can handle dense, compacted soil, the Splendor gas-powered tiller is the perfect choice. It's powerful, versatile, and built to handle tougher tasks that others on this list might struggle with. If you're okay with the added weight and noise, this tiller will be a reliable workhorse in your garden. And there you have it, our rankings of the best gas-powered tillers and cultivators for your garden needs. Whether you're just starting out with a small garden or need a heavy-duty machine to tackle tougher soil, there's something on this list for everyone. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to grab the top products at the best prices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews and gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!